Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Not solving, how to solve the OLL part of the cfop method. So OLL means orienting last layer, and in my previous video I have shown how to solve the Rubik's Cube by the FRINEDS method or the cfop method, and in this video I am going to show you how to solve the OLL part, all the 57 cases. So let's start. And if you want to see the previous video, you can subscribe my channel and see the video. So let's start. So the first case is this one. Here you will see a line like this, and these are two corner pieces, then two edge pieces, and then two corner pieces. Two corner pieces, and these two corner pieces are opposite, and these two edges are opposite to each other. So hold the cube like this so that the edge will be in front of you and the line will be horizontal. So do this algorithm: L, F, L prime, U, R, U prime, R prime, U, R, U prime, R prime, L, F prime, then L prime. So here the OLL is solved, the first case. Alright, the second case is, so in the second case you will find a T shape like this, and these two are matching, these two are matching, and these are opposite to each other. This will go here and this will go here. This will go here, this will go here. So hold the cube, do not hold the cube like this so that the T is facing upwards. Hold the cube like this, okay? Then do this algorithm: R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. Done. Alright. The third case is, so here it is. For this case, we'll find like this tree shape, and then these two are opposite to each other. So for this you will do small r, U, R prime, U prime, small r prime, F, R, F prime. So this one will be solved. So the next one is, the fifth one is like this. You will find a shape of L, and here will be a piece. The L will be inversed. So L will be inversed, and these two are matching. Then after this, these two are matching, and this is the alone. This is alone. These two are, this have a mate, this also have a mate, but this is alone. So hold the cube like this, then do this one: F, R prime, F prime, R, U2, R, U2, R prime. So the fifth one is also solved. Alright, the sixth one is, so the sixth one is like this. This is also a T shape, but this T shape is another. In previous T shape, the pieces were like this, but now the pieces are not like this. Here these two greens are there, and these two edge pieces are there. For this also you will hold the cube like this, then do F R U R prime U prime F prime. This is also solved. So the seventh one is like this. Here this shape is very easy. So it is a 8 shape. So and these two will be matching here and here. So we will not hold the cube like this or this. We will hold the cube like this. So this one is facing the left side. This piece. Okay, facing the left side. Then do this algorithm R U R prime U R U prime R prime U R U prime R prime U R U2 R prime. So the seventh one is also solved. Now the eighth one is, so the eighth one is a shape of inverse L and this one but not like the previous one. Here the pieces are different. So for this case, these two are these two are continuous and then these two are matching. This is the alone H piece and these two are also alone. So for this, hold the cube like this, so the matching face means this one. This one is facing the left side. Okay, then do this algorithm. F R U R prime U prime F prime U F R U R prime U prime F prime. The eighth one is also solved. So the ninth one is also a tree shape, but the previous one we have find like this and this one was like this. So in this case it is not like this, it is different. So for this algorithm is, so for this the algorithm is, so hold the cube like not like this, like this, so the headlights will be facing the backward, then like this R2, then D prime R U2 R prime D R U2 R. Okay, so the 10th one is also solved. So the 11th one is like this. So for this one you can hold the cube from anywhere, so not anywhere, facing the OLL part upwards, then anywhere. So for this one the algorithm is M means the middle one, means this one is the M, is your M. So for this one the algorithm is M prime U2 M prime U2 M prime U M U2 M U2 M. So the 11th one is also solved. The 12th one is like this, that this 4 pieces are solved, then these two are matching, So hold the cube like this, so that the first matching piece will be facing the left side. So hold it the cube like this, then do this algorithm. R prime F2 L F L prime F R, then again we will do this one only. R prime F2 L F L prime, then FR. Sorry friends, I'm just only confused. So for the 12th one, you can note this one down. So for today, my phone does not have enough space. So I think I will show you at least 20 cases. So for this one, you can do like this: R U R prime U R U2 R prime U F U R U prime R prime F prime. So this one is solved. So the 13th one is like this, that this H piece is not solved and these three pieces are aligned. So for this one, we will hold the cube like this, so that these three pieces are facing the right side. So for this one, you will do B prime U prime R prime U R B. So the 13th one is also solved. The 14th one is like this. You will find an L shape like this. So hold the cube not like this, like this. Okay? So the L will be facing the downwards, means this side. So for this case, this one is not solved. These three lines are aligned and these two are aligned. For this, you can do this one: R B prime R B R2 U2 F R prime F prime R. So the 14th one is solved. Then the 15th one is, only one piece is solved. These three lines are aligned. These two H pieces are opposite to each other, and these three lines are aligned. Two lines are opposite and these two H pieces are opposite to each other. So you will hold the cube like this, so that on any one of the H piece is facing you. Then you will do this algorithm. R U B prime R B R2 U prime R prime F R F prime. So the 15th one is also solved. The 16th one is, like this. The L will form, but this L does not have any lines aligned. These two are aligned. These two headlights are aligned, and opposite to the headlight, H piece will be there. So hold the cube like this, so that the L will be inversed. Then do this algorithm: F R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime F. So the 16th one is also solved. The 17th one is also a L shape, hat trick of L shape. So in this case, the H piece will be there, and opposite to the H piece, this corner piece will be there, and this corner piece is not matching, and these two are matching, and here will be a corner piece. So for this, you can do this algorithm. R U, R prime U, R prime F, R, F prime, R, U2, R prime. Then your T shape will be formed. These two and these two are unsolved. Then we will solve this one like the formula of that one, means the T shape and these two are matching. Then the 18th one is, so the 18th one is like this line is aligned, and then these edge pieces are not aligned, and these two edge pieces are not aligned. So hold the cube like this, then do this algorithm. R U, R prime U, R prime F, R, F prime, U2, R prime, F, R, F prime. So the 19th one is, so I will show only two, okay, one means two more, then in the next video I will show the rest of them. So the 19th one is a M or W shape, W. So this is the W shape. Hold the cube like this so that it forms a W. Then these two are matching, this edge piece and then this corner piece. So for this one, do this algorithm. L U, L prime, U, L, U prime, L prime, U prime, L prime, B, L, B prime. So the 19th one is solved. Then the 20th one is, alright, the 20th one is my favorite. So I have shown this at the last. So for this one, a cross will be there, and these two headlights are opposite to these two headlights. So hold the cube like this so that the headlights are in this position and this position. So after this, do this algorithm. R U, R prime U, R U prime, R prime U, R U2, R prime. So the 20th one is also solved, and this was my favorite. So in my next video I will try to show all of them, and if I can't, then I will show you 20, means this 20 and those 20, so total 40 algorithms, and only 17 will be left. So for that, so up to this one, then bye friends, and please subscribe and share, and also like my channel, and also comment in the comment box.